Hey guys, good morning. It's Sunday, another beautiful day. Gonna go out and do a little bit of yard sailing again. I got a friend coming over. I tried doing an afternoon yard sale. They usually don't pan out very good, but the free piles are usually pretty good. Mama's garden's kind of doing well. She's got everything growing away. I think we're gonna have some tall tomato plants. At 10-foot tall rebars. Sunny. See how Scrappy's doing over here. My first attempt at scrap metal art. Looks like it's weathering pretty good. I don't know how well it comes out in the camera. I'd like to make a couple of those. A couple more of those. We're gonna do a bonfire last night, kind of clean up some of the mess. It didn't happen. Nighttime comes around and nighty-night we go. Alright, enough of looking at gardens. You guys want to see the truck? I was only kidding, there's no truck. There's a truck. Alright, let's go see what we got for 200 bucks. This is her right here. You thought I was shitting you, didn't you? No kidding. It's 2004. 5.4 liter. I guess they call it the super cab or the crew cab. Let me pull it out of there. Let's do a cold start. Here we go. Inside's nice. That's about it for damage on the interior. Ugh. Just got high mileage. You guys can see that's 228. What's got on it? Back her up in the oh, the radio's on. YouTube's gonna nab me. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. I always like to put down the driver's window in any car that I get in with the keys in it. Keep me from locking myself in. Let's open the doors. Nice sized cab. The seats fold up to the back wall to kind of give you open floor space if you want to haul stuff on the inside. Let's get the moonroof. It's clean too. I mean, everywhere you look, it's never been painted. It's not a rust pit, you know? I like one of the pissers there where it's got no rockers when you open the doors. Bottom of the doors are nice. Back up from it. Don't see any really dents in it at all. I think it's got scratches all over it, but that's to be expected. Good tires on it. It sounds good. Got that tonneau cover. Hiya! Know what you can see in there. But it's got the rhino liner sprayed in. And just a little bit of dirt in it. It doesn't really look like it was used for much other than just, you know, a family car for the most part. And that's what he said he did. He bought it in 08 used with like 99,000, and he ran it up to 228 is what's on it now. And then again, as you said, till the tranny started slipping some. And decided that I think they told him it was $2 grand for to get a trans and then to put it in. I mean, I could do much better than that. I would figure I should be able to get one for a boneyard for 500 bucks. But I may even just try fixing the one that's in there. You could, just leave it in drive, leave the overdrive off. If you floor it, it just goes. It'll spin the tires. It's not like it's slipping real bad. It just has a feeling like when you apply the ABS brakes and they start doing that kind of feel to it. You get a little bit of that when you're accelerating in like second and third gear in the trans. So I may try doing a band adjustment if they're adjustable on this. I'm not sure. Modern stuff I'm not that familiar with, but definitely no complaints. He's got the sunroof kind of boogered up, probably popped off the track or something. Looks like he couldn't get it to sit down right. He's got it taped up. That shouldn't be that hard of a fix. I don't see where it's been painted anywhere. It's all the original paint, so it's never been hit. What do we got here? F-150 Super Crew Cab, XLT 139 wheelbase, 5.4 motor. And what we got for options? We have the 5.4 is the option. It's got 3.5 gear ratio, limited slip rear, running boards, power moonroof, trailer tow package, rear defroster. And you too can own this for $35,770. Or wait a while and get out for 200 bucks. Anybody know what this thing is? It's like some wires going to it and it's underneath the rear view mirror. I don't know. I was kind of thinking maybe it's a automatic headlight dimmer. Don't know. But nice clean truck, huh? I know. That's why when I was riding down the road, I saw this thing with the sign in the window. It's like, that couldn't have said 200 bucks. And even if like you look at the frame rails and all, it's just clean under the truck. Yeah. As you can see, let's put a light on. Yeah. He ain't a rust pig, you know? A lot of them are. Let's pop the hood. I haven't even opened the hood yet. This thing worked. Yeah. Boy, that motor's packed back in there, huh? AC worked on the way home. I didn't do the cruise control or anything like that, but he said he did a lot of trips back and forth to New Jersey, so a lot of it was just cruising miles. You know, 300-400 miles each way. And you figure he put 128,000 miles on in 5 years. So 25,000 a year. Brakes didn't pulse, went down the road straight, kind of threw it in the S turns a little bit. Nothing. Nice, quiet, nothing rattles. No shit, huh, guys? Well, I guess after all the crap I've been through the last couple months, yeah, one time it works out the other way around where you have a good day, you know? don't think that thing's ever towed anything. It's got no scratches in it for a hitch. It's never had a pin in it. Never had safety chains on that thing. I don't think it's ever even towed anything. Yeah, when corrosion's coming out of the plug, you know there hasn't been a plug in there in like forever. One thing I noticed, it's no big deal, but it's missing the spare tire, the jack. That's really about it. But again, so I'm gonna, I don't know, I know a couple of guys asked what I'm gonna do with it and all. You're welcome to make an offer. I have an open title, the title's just signed. You guys want to take it as is. I'm not gonna be able to do anything with it for a little while just because I can't work on anything right now, especially pulling the trans, you know. So, but it does run and drive down the road fine. I had it up to 60 on the back roads. It's a nice clean truck, it's got all the bells and whistles in it, you know. If I didn't have my truck, I'd definitely have this as something to cruise around in. It's got a tow capacity, I think 8,200 pounds or 8,800 pounds was the tow capacity. Yeah. Even the inside of the truck is clean. You know, it's just not a, it's definitely not a work truck, you know. No check engine lights or anything on. All the gauges look good. I don't want it, but I have too many vehicles as it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.